How to apply for LinkedIn jobs in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your LinkedIn application on your device. Make sure you have an updated version. Also make sure that you log into your account. Then after logging into your account, the homepage will look something like this. Now what you need to do is just tap on the search option at the top of the screen. Then you just have to search for any job over here that you want to do. So for example, if I choose for data entry, and let's just search, and you can select your job according to how remote or how easily you want to apply on the menu over here. So you can see different jobs that are available over here. So for example, if I want to just go for any of the jobs given over here, so let me just go for technical writer over here, and here you can see different options about what is this company about, what is the role, what is your job description, responsibilities, what is expected out of you, and so on. So after going through all these, and if you are an candidate that is suitable for this one, then you can just tap on easy apply. And as you tap on easy apply, you just have to mention your country code and your phone number, and then tap on next. So you just have to tap on next, and then you will be able to apply for the LinkedIn job in mobile. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.